Hi guys, today we're going to go ahead and we're going to show you how we package up and label our soaps for today. For right now we have our heat sealer for our heat shrink bags. We have a heat gun, a pair of gloves, a pair of scissors, our soap, and our labels. I'll go ahead and show you step by step on how we do this, and I will talk a little bit about the labels that we purchased as well. So let's go ahead and get started. We have our soaps over here. We have let them cure for about 7 to 8 weeks. I usually like to give it a little bit longer just to make sure. And what we're gonna do is when we have these heat shrink wrap bags. I actually bought these on Amazon. These are 4x6s. I'll go ahead and post the link in the description on where you can find the materials that we purchased for this. Alright guys, now that they're all bagged up, all we're going to do is we're actually going to simply put it on our heat sealer. I'm going to press it down, it'll automatically click. And we'll seal the bags. Alright, now that they're all sealed up, on one end what we're going to do is we're actually going to trim off this excess so we're not heat shrinking anything extra. Alright, now that they're all in the bags and we got them all trimmed up, what we're going to do is we're going to hit them with our heat gun. I actually got this heat gun from Lowe's for I think $35. They weren't that expensive. It has 2 settings on there. I usually use the lowest setting, or the highest setting. Let's just peel it off. Take your soap and wrap it. And there you guys have it. They are all packaged up. They are ready to go and ready for sale. If you guys like this video, if you wish to see more like it, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Thank you guys.